Hi students, welcome to the Social Science online class. Today we are going to see Civics Unit 1 Equality Part 2. In the Part 1, we have discussed what is equality and the importance of equality and social equality and civil equality. So this is the types of equality, right? So in this class we are going to start what is political equality. Okay, what is political equality? All the democratic countries including India have guaranteed the political rights to all citizens. So democratic countries is democratic countries means the system, it has a system of government. Okay, so here the people have the power to participate the decision making. So that is democratic countries. Okay, so including India also we have the democratic countries, so have the guarantee the political rights to all. Political rights, that means it includes right to vote. Okay, we can vote, right? And right to hold public office, we can handle the public office, and right to criticize the government. So if it is any criticize means finding fault, right? So if there is anything we don't like, in the sense we can disapprove that. So we can give our criticize, we are thought. So that is the things. It includes right to vote, right to hold public office, right to criticize the government. Okay, India is the first country to give right to vote to women from the very first general election held in the year 1952. Okay, so India gave the right to vote to women also, because in some other country like Switzerland, the right to vote given to women in 1971 only, but India, they have given the right to vote to women 1952. So election, what is election, students? We know, right? So election is a formal group decision making. That is the process by choosing in the way people can choose their candidate. Okay, or their preference in a representative democracy. Okay, so and any person who has completed the age of 25 years can contest in the election. Okay, so if the any persons in a country, if the people completed 25 years, if the people reach 25 years, they can contest, they can participate, they can competition the election. Okay, so citizens should have equal opportunity to actively participate in the political life. So these rights can be enjoyed through the universal adult franchises. Okay, so citizens should have equal opportunity to actively participate in the political life. Okay, they have equal opportunity. So all the peoples can participate for the vote and also the contest. Okay, for the vote they have to complete 18 years. If for the contest they need to complete 25 years. Okay, right to criticize the government is also very important, right? So right to criticize, in the sense of we can give our thoughts. Criticize means giving or finding the fault. Okay, and people can express their resentment through demonstrations. Okay, so resentment, it's a meaning of dissatisfaction. Okay, through the demonstrations. Okay, and the main thing, value of their vote. Okay, value of the people vote and the value of the prime minister vote. these two are common in the general election. So this is exposed the political equality, because the prime minister and the common man, as you and me, the common man vote and the prime minister vote, both are equal. So this is the same, so which denotes political equality. Okay, next we'll see what is gender equality. So gender equality, so all human beings, both men and women, are free to develop their personal abilities and make choices without any limitations. So here the equality means both men and women are same. They are free to develop their personal activities, personal abilities. So they have equal choices. So without any limitations, there is no limit for them. Both are equal to develop their personal abilities. Okay. So in the previous time, in the previous years ago, or in the past, women were not in equal rights, not given equal rights. So they were considered as weak to compared to men, and they were placed in a secondary position to men. But in this gender equality exposed, they should be treated equally. Okay, for does it mean that women and men have to become same? But their rights, responsibilities and opportunities will not depend on whether they are born male or female. So both are have the same equality. If the male means that is male domination or anything, it's not in this case nowadays, we know, because both are have their equal rights to do whatever they want. Okay, and gender equality is the equal right of both men and women to have access to opportunities and resources. So both are equally access the opportunities, or country opportunities, or any work opportunities. They have the equal rights, right? So they have equal rights to access the opportunities and resources. Okay, they have right to participate in the economic sphere and make important decisions. And also nowadays women are successfully working in many fields like border security force, Indian Air Force. So Indian Army also, women are proved their strength. So that much brave have nowadays. Women are very common. They are not actually less or weak to compare men. They have their uniqueness. Okay, so for the uplift of women, 50% reservation has been given for women in local bodies. Okay, next we'll learn about human dignity. So dignity means self-respect. Dignity means self-respect. Okay, human dignity is the most important human right from which all other fundamental rights deserve. Okay, likewise all fundamental rights, the dignity also very important one. Okay, that is very important human right. The honor thing is very important. Okay, so dignity is the equality of being honorable, noble and excellent. Dignity is a quality. So dignity is a quality of being honorable, noble and excellent. Okay, every human being should be regarded as a very valuable member of a community. So every human being should be regarded as a very valuable member of the community. Okay, all the individuals should have similar chances to receive education. So all the individuals have the similar chances to receive education. So anyone can learn any education, right? There is no limitation, there is no prohibition. Okay, they should have similar opportunity to develop their personality. So based on your personality, based on your choices, you can make the decision to what you want to study. Okay, that is also very equally have the opportunity and the education. So this is the equal of opportunity and education. Okay, so we need equality to get equal treatment in society. So equality is very important, because if you don't have, you can't get the equal treatment of the society. Okay, so in the college or in the school, there always all the human beings, all the students are equal, because we have that equality right. We have, that's why they are treating like normal common people. Okay, commonly they don't have any differences. Okay, if we treat equality, we can earn respect and dignity. So all the persons, if it is colored, they don't have any caste wise different, they don't have any color differences, everybody are same. That then only we can earn respect and dignity. Okay, next we will see equality in Indian Constitution. Constitution means the body of laws. Okay, the system of laws and the fundamental principles. So we'll see equality in Indian fundamental principles. Okay, almost the Constitution, all the countries in the world have guaranteed equality. So likewise, the Constitution of India has also guaranteed equality to all citizens by providing articles from Form 14 to 18. So we know code that laws have. So in the laws have lot of articles to expose the equality. So giving the guarantee equality. So our India also have that constitution, that fundamental principles, laws. Okay, the body of laws for all the human beings. We'll see article Form 14 to 18. What are the laws are provided for them, for us. Okay, we'll see article 14 guarantees to all the people equally before law. So article 14 expose the guarantees to all the people equality before law. So in the court, everybody is common. So that is the common. Common means the peoples are very common. Okay, all the peoples have the equal rights to their law. Okay, if they're upper state, lower states, they in the court, in the judge never see that status. Okay, they see only justice. So that only refer this article 14. Article 15 deals with the prohibition of discrimination. So deals with the prohibition means disallowance. Okay, disallowance, the banning things of discrimination. Discrimination means favoritism. So that partiality thing, there is no partiality, right? So that totally cancelled. Okay, and article 16 provides equality of opportunity in matters related to employment. So we have that equal rights to all the opportunities and the employment. That is giving the details, provides equality of opportunity in matters related to employment. Okay, have the same, equal employment. Article 17 apologize the practice of untouchability. Untouchability in Tamil Teendame, we know, right? So apologize, that's do away with the practice of untouchability. Okay, article 18 apologize the titles conferred to citizens. So there is no title for the any citizens. Titles means that thing giving to the citizens. So that is also not in that. Exterminate the titles conferred to citizens. Okay, so article 21 give the equality before law and equal production of law. Okay, so that is defined, that is exposed in article 21. So equality before law and equal production of law have been further strengthened in the Indian Constitution under Article 21. Okay, so that's all about the today class, students. Thank you.